What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach with Dreamedia out here with Matt from Kaleidescape. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the brand new Strato V's UI and all of its features after the intro. Let's go! Welcome back, Dreamedia family. I wanted to give a big thanks to Matt for coming out here to Colorado, driving deep into the mountains to visit us, bringing this brand new player. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
I can't tell you how thankful we are. Today, guys, we're gonna film this video super raw. Like, Matt's gonna plug in the Kaleidescape right here on this OLED behind me, and we're just gonna deep dive. We're gonna get it hooked up. Chase, we got a regional sales manager here in this beautiful home in Colorado. This is like a sunroom, kind of open concept to the dining, living, outdoor entertainment space. Very, very gorgeous smart home that has Control4, Lutron lighting, the works, audio, video throughout, one button press, everything. We have a lot of videos coming out on these beautiful homes that we've been finishing up here in Colorado, and I can't tell you how excited I am to show this one off in addition to some of the other ones that have been recently completed. We're really elevating the game here and handling everything technology related, including integrating in movie players from Kaleidescape. All right, Matt, so now we have the movie player plugged in.
Yep.
Big thanks to Chase. I'd like you to just take us through it.
Yep.
Point out everything about the player. I pointed out some of the key things on the ports and stuff on the back. And it's new with the unit. I want you to just tell our audience, and then we're going to deep dive into the actual UI. So I'll take the camera and afterward and just the TV alone. And we'll just toggle through and you can talk about it, okay?
Yep, absolutely. So again, we do have Dolby Vision included now. So all the titles, or most of the titles that I have on here are going to be 4K HDR Dolby Vision titles. The other cool thing is we have simplified it. Since you only have 10 to 15 films, we've simplified the layout of the Strato V. So it's just a left to right scroll where you'll have new, paused, and then played movies. Now, once you do connect this to an actual Strato unit, you will unlock the full Kaleidescape experience that we're all used to, right? With list view, collections, your parental control pieces, stuff like that. So very simple, again, just a left to right scroll, easy to use. Anybody can really figure out, how to use Kaleidescape with this new piece. If we go into the movie store, so let me go out real fast. So now you have your ready to play, which is going to be all the content that you have on the player, movie store, and then all of your settings. So inside your settings, you'll be able to see all the if you have any downloads left or how much content you have available, and then be able to change any of the audio, video settings, passwords, and stuff like that on the system. If we go into movie store, you're going to have full access to our over 14,000 titles that we have. We do have about, as of today, we have over 130 Dolby Vision titles available, so more 4K content than anyone. But you'll see featured, so here's some of the new movies that are available. If you do go up, you're gonna see all of your movies. So maybe today you've got 15 movies, but as you start to grow the Kaleidescape system, you'll be able to see all of your content in one place, and then you can decide what you want to take off of this Strato V player and what you want to add back on. So you still have some of the same features that we're used to with Kaleidescape in terms of making scenes, making scripts. The downside with making scripts and making scenes on this player would be once you do dump that title, you will lose access to that scene or that part of the script. But to make a scene, it's super easy. So if you've seen Despicable Me 4, so playing scene is going to be different than the chapters that we're used to when we buy or watch a Blu-ray. These are going to be scenes that we've curated at Kaleidescape, which we think highlight the movie the best. On Despicable Me 4, when we go into creating Mega Minions, maybe you like 30 seconds before or 30 seconds after that scene. you can actually make that scene yourself. So for instance, if we go in, you have the details here. So you have, scene 2 out of 5, you have your cast, your director. You can also change the audio format here. So I can go from, right now we're in Dolby Atmos, but I can change that to stereo 5.1. I can even turn on and off the subtitles. So along with creating your own scenes, you can also create your own scripts. If you're interested in creating your own script, it's something I definitely recommend because it's a nice way to highlight all of your favorite movies and all of those favorite scenes from those movies. So if you ever want to show friends and family, kind of a quick collage of like your favorite demo material, it's a great way to do it. In fact, all of our, manufacturer partners at, during CEDIA or some of these expos, they actually create their own scenes just so they can highlight Kaleidescape and their AV systems the best. And if you're looking for more information on creating a script, check out Dreamedia. They have a video on YouTube on how to create your own scripts. But it's a great way to, scripts is a great way to, again, show your favorite demos to those family and friends. And it's a great way to kind of showcase the full unlocked potential of Kaleidescape. So the Strato V does come with a remote inside the box, and then you can still use your phone app as well to control the system and as well to buy content from the movie store. So you can use the Kaleidescape remote to access the movie store, all of the other functions. You have your phone as the controller as well, and then you can access the movie store content through your phone. So we've got all of the new releases here. We've got some of the current sales promotions, and then you also have all of your Dolby Vision titles right here available to you at your fingertips. So with the Kaleidescape app user interface, you have the ability to pre-order films. So once you buy that movie on pre-order, it'll actually download for you the night at 12 o'clock midnight that night, and so when you wake up, that movie's already ready to go. You also have access through the phone app. So let's say you're done with work, you're driving home, or maybe it's dinner time, you're eating dinner, and you want that movie ready. So right when you get home, or dinner's over, you can watch that new movie. You can just go into the movie. You're gonna hit download. Once you hit download, our solid state players will download in as little as 4 minutes. Our HDD drives will download in as little as 8 minutes. And then our new Strato V, like I said, I'm getting about 10-minute downloads with that. So pretty quick. You have plenty of time to make a drink, pop some popcorn. And then with everything else, you can search. So we have a search feature on here where you can literally type in, The Greatest Showman, for instance. And it's going to pop right up with the best matches for that title, including The Greatest Showman. You've got The Greatest Game here. And very easy to go ahead and start that download and then watching that movie within a couple of minutes. The other way that you can search and even play movies is actually with Josh AI. So we actually deep dive with Josh AI, where you can literally go into the room and say, hey Josh, watch The Greatest Showman. And The Greatest Showman just starts. That projector turns on, or that TV turns on, your receiver turns on, maybe the shades and the lighting turn on as well. And that's available through Dreamedia as well. And I believe they have a video coming about the Josh AI interface as well. We're good whenever.
Yep, everything's recording.
One other thing that a lot of people don't know about is besides movies, we also do a ton of concert material as well as television stuff. So we've got a ton of Amazon originals, some Netflix originals, HBO, Showtime, Paramount. We have, in terms of concerts, we have a lot of concerts that are in 4K, even Dolby Atmos. But another big thing that we do is if you go into your app on the phone, you can actually do what's called movie updates. So this is one thing that you're not going to get anywhere else, is because we have, the relationships that we have with the studios, is we do get things back from the studios whenever there's an addition made. So for instance, on my movie updates, my personal system, I've got, Passengers has an update. So if we click on this, it's actually going to tell us that they made audio improvements to the 4K and HDR10. So if I want to update that, all I have to do is click update. And now on my system at home, it's already updating that version to the new version. And again, it's something that you're not going to get anywhere else but except with us at Kaleidescape. Besides the television, or besides the movie stuff, in conjunction with movies, we also have the ability to rent. So you can actually rent a lot of the movies that we have that are still in theaters or have just come to streaming, as well as some of the movies that maybe were some of your favorites growing up. You can rent those as well.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on our Kaleidescape Strato V deep dive into the UI. Big thanks to Matt for coming out here to Colorado. Really appreciate you, man. This is an incredible unit, and I know it's gonna be one of our best sellers. Great entry price point, really gets you into the Kaleidescape system so you can understand why it's industry leading.
Yep.
The UI is the best, lossless audio, reference level video. If you want the best of the best, look no further than Kaleidescape. It is the ultimate movie player. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Until next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia, out here with Matt from Kaleidescape. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.